Hi, I'm Kaylee Larkin, and you are watching Analytics in Minutes. I'm going to show you how to build a landing page report in GA4. This will only take you 4 minutes, and you only have to do it once. Then it will always be in your standard reports and your left-hand navigation. All right, here's how to do it. Left-hand menu, click Reports. Underneath Lifecycle, click the drop-down for Acquisition. Now we have a few different reports and overview. User acquisition, which will show us information about where new users come from, and traffic acquisition, which shows us information about where new sessions come from. We're going to be editing the traffic acquisition report template for our landing page report. Click traffic acquisition. So the standard traffic acquisition report dimension is session default channel grouping. A dimension is the descriptive attribute of the data. It makes up the rows in your table and basically represents like how the data is organized. So session default channel grouping means where Google determines your sessions came from. And if we click the drop-down arrow, we can choose different ways to visualize the same information where traffic came from. But we want to know where on our site they came to, the landing page. So in the top right corner of your screen is a pencil icon. This indicates that you can customize your report, which is exactly what we want to do. Go ahead and click that pencil icon. So editing the report will not change the way data is collected or stored for your GA4 account, so don't worry about breaking anything. The first thing we want to do is change that dimension. So let's open Dimensions, Add Dimension. This is alphabetical order. Scroll down to Landing Page. Click Apply. Don't forget that button, otherwise it won't add it. Right, and if that's all you needed, you can stop here and click Save, and you just have Landing Page as a dimension for your traffic acquisition report. To mimic a Universal Analytics landing page report, we also need to edit the metrics. In order to make this match Universal Analytics, we want to add sessions, new users or users, engagement rate, average engagement time, event count, and conversions. So I'm going to get rid of these other metrics for my view and click Apply. Now, I'm not a huge fan of the bar chart for this, so we can click this eye icon and that will hide it from view. And nice, that's it. Our landing page report is all set. We're going to click Save. Save as a new report. And new report is important here because we want to create a new report that is using the traffic acquisition report template rather than writing over our traffic acquisition session report. So I'm going to save as a new report and just title it, landing page report. Click Save. We want to make this report easy to retrieve by adding the landing page report to our main navigation. Click on Reports and look at the bottom of the left-hand menu navigation. You'll see a folder titled Library. Open the library. So all of your report collections are organized in the library folder. This is where account administrators can customize the presentation of reports. Click Edit Collection under Lifecycle because we want to edit how our lifecycle reports are displayed. And now we need to drag our landing page report that we just made under our acquisition reports. I'm going to put it underneath our traffic acquisition and click Save. Save changes to current collection. So now you can easily find your landing page report under Lifecycle, Acquisition, in the left-hand menu. And there's our landing page report. So GA4 reporting does have a learning curve, but you don't have to fumble through it in the dark. This video helped you create a landing page report in GA4 that you're familiar with and can easily access. If there are other reports you'd like to learn how to recreate, let me know in the comments.